comes with. Like I said, I picked this up for 84 bucks. It was on sale. It's usually 100 bucks. That's what the retail price is on, at least. So I figured it's about the same price for the Ryobi one, but this one had a couple extra features that I wanted to check out. Plus, like I said, they didn't have anything online about it. So basically, you got your manuals here, of course. Nothing special there. One thing about this is it already does pre-come with a foam cannon, which is one of the main reasons I wanted it. Of course, if this one doesn't work the best, which I'll give you guys my honest opinion on it, I can, of course, just, you know, buy another one and use it on the wand. But it comes with the foam cannon. Looks like some handles to put on the unit itself. Another handle comes with it. You got your little gun it comes with right here. You got to put it together, of course. If I don't like that wand, I will end up getting a different one. Just because sometimes I don't like the wands that come with the pressure washers. So now we're going to try to take all this out at one time. Take the unit out and the hose. You got your hose right here, and then I had one more piece to the wand itself. Then I'll bring you guys in for a closer look on what the unit looks like. Alright, this is what you get in the box. You get the main unit, of course, 1600 psi, 1.2 max gallons per minute unit. It's a 12 amp unit. It comes with a GFCI plug already on it. So, of course, that's so you don't blow break or anything or don't get electrocuted. So, next you have a 20-foot flex hose, and then you have your wand with the 2 nozzles that you can use. Then you have your extra handles that you got to put on the unit itself for the carrying and holding the hose and where the wand goes. And then over here to the left you have the foam cannon that comes with it. It's a 25 ounce foam cannon. So like I said, if I don't like how it works, then I'll just upgrade to a different one, but I still want to test everything that it comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit put together and then show you guys what it looks like. And then in a couple of days when it decides to stop raining, I will take my car out and give it a good wash and see how the foam goes on and see how the unit works, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion on if it's worth the 100 bucks or if you can get it on sale like I did for 85. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion if I think it's worth it or not. But like I said, I probably will end up upgrading the wand that it comes with and maybe the foam cannon, but I just want to test everything that comes with it right now and give you guys my honest opinion on it. So just for reference, this will be the car I'll be washing right now. It's kind of clean, but it's still a little dirty, so I'm just going to use the foam cannon just to you know, show you guys everything that it comes with and if it does well or not. So I'm just going to be washing my BMW. So like I said, once it stops raining here in a couple of days, probably Sunday, I'll take the car out and get her all washed and see what I think about it. So alright guys, so I got the car out here. I already used the pressure washer once on my mom's car earlier just to get a feel for it and to see how it works. Basically, I just got all the handles on. All you do is push the handles on the unit itself. Like I said, the 20-foot hose just connects to the front, and then your garden hose connects to the little part in the back. Just connects to that little hose part back there, and then all you do is turn the full hose on. All you do is turn the hose on full blast, and then you hold the trigger on the gun. You just hold the trigger down until the water goes all the way through and there's no more air on it, and then you turn the on switch on, and then you're pretty much good to go. As far as connecting the hose, like I said, you just screw it on the front, and then the other quick connect part of that hose just goes right into the handle right here. Just goes right here, you just push it directly in, and then this is the little lock and everything for your wand if you want to keep it on or if you want to lock it so it can't do anything. So basically I'm just going to hook this up. It comes with a 35-foot cord, like I said. So I'm just going to get Mom to move her car, and then I'm going to back the car out. I'm going to have Mom back her car out. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little quick spray and then hit it with the foam and see how foamy we can get it. I'm probably going to end up upgrading the little handle itself and the foam cannon just to a different foam cannon so I can change out the orifice in it, because these I don't think have orifice. I think this doesn't have an orifice in it that you can change out. So I think I need to get like a 1.1 millimeter orifice or whatever for a better foam. But we're just gonna back it out, give it a test, see what it does. Like I said, it's my first time using the foam cannon, so I'm not a professional at using the foam cannon. This is gonna be my second time actually using it, so see if we can get some foam on her, and then I'll give you guys my overall impressions on the thing itself, and if you guys should pick it up. I don't know about you guys, but it looks pretty good. It's not as foamy as it could be, but I think, like I said, it has to do with the orifice and just the gun itself. But that's more than enough lubricity to get your paint clean and all that good stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty damn good too. I'm gonna get rid of this in the bottle and then go ahead and clean it up. Alright guys, so you can see the car is clean. I mean, it was pretty much already clean before. I just wanted to, just had like dust and dirt and shit on it from being inside. So I just wanted to try it on the car and see how it worked. As you can see, the foam it's not super foamy, like you see videos on YouTube, but I think that's just because of the foam cannon itself. Like I said, I probably want to upgrade the foam cannon and the wand and get a longer hose, just because I think the 20-foot hose is a little bit short for trying to go around the car. Pretty much after you get your after you get to the one side and get to the back, you're already out of hose and you got to move it. Of course, you got your 35-foot cord. You can go anywhere with the unit itself, and it's pretty small and it's light. It's only like 16 pounds, so you don't have to worry about it being heavy or anything, but it just makes it a lot easier to keep the unit stationary and then get a longer hose. So I might in the future get a new hose and use a different wand, and then try a different foam cannon with a different orifice and see if I get more foam. But as you can see just from that little clip, after I got the knob right, you just got to mess with the knob. I put about, let's see, the foam cannon's over here. I put about 4 ounces of soap into it. I still got a little bit left, but I put about 4 ounces of soap in it, and I'm all out now, but I used the Griot's Garage Brilliant car wash, which is super sudsy anyways. So I just used about 4 ounces of that, and then filled the rest up with water, and then shook it up, let it sit for a second, and then washed the car down, did my thing. But I pretty much use all Griot's Garage stuff. I got another thing, I really like this car wash, but maybe, like I said, if you get a different soap that's made specifically for foam cannons, then maybe the formula would be a lot more prone to look like the creamy foam instead of just like the soapy foam like you would get with maybe like a garden hose. But it's definitely plenty of foam when it comes to putting it on the car and having that lubricity so you don't scratch the paint or anything. Definitely has plenty of foam. Just like I said, depends how you use the foam cannon, but I think to get better foam you would have to get a different foam cannon itself. And as far as the wand, everything connects together, so pretty much the handle goes to this part and just goes in there and turns, and then the second part right here, that part, as you can see, has a little notch. You just push it in and then it goes in there, and it's pretty much like a push connect. And then this side is, you can turn that to change the fan on the pressure washer, and then you would take that bottom piece off to attach it right there where your foam cannon would go. And then of course your foam cannon has your little dial on top, for the soap, And then this just changes the fan also, like how it shoots or whatever. Not sure if you can see this, but pretty much 4 ounces right here is what I had full of soap. Actually about 5 ounces, a little bit more, just because I wanted more suds. Then I filled the rest up here to use all water. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this garage floor cleaned up because it's fucking pieces from the tree and all kinds of crap in here. And then we'll pull the car back in, and then I'll get over my my thoughts on the pressure washer, and if I think you guys should buy it, or you know, who would this demographic be pointed towards. So I'm gonna pull her in. Alright, so do I think it's worth it? Do I think it's worth my 85 or the 100 that you would pay usually? I'd say it's worth it. Definitely saves a lot of time on washing, you know, just by hand and bucket. Usually it takes me about, I don't know, about an hour to do it. But with this, you know, you can pretty much just spray it down, get all your surface dirt off, and then spray your foam on, and then just use your wash mitt in a bucket, and 2-bucket method, whatever you want to use, and then just go ahead and wash it like you would normally do, but you have a lot less effort than trying to go back and forth to the bucket 1,000 times just to put some stuff on it. Just gives you a lot of lubricity also, like I said, just to put the stuff on the car and get it cleaned off. Like I said, if you wash your car frequently and it doesn't get super dirty, then you can pretty much just you know, just spray foam it like I did and just let it sit on there for a little minute, and then wash it right off and dry it off, and that's pretty much just cleaning the car. Just depends how dirty you are. You know, if you're driving the car daily or whatever, you got a show car or whatever, but definitely a pretty good price for it. $100. I was looking at the Ryobi one, but like I said, this one was pretty much already at the store and it's right in front of me, and it already came with the foam cannon. Which does work pretty good, just doesn't give you like that thick foam unless I'm not doing something right. Like I said, it's only my second time using the foam cannon ever, so. And also it probably depends on whatever type of soap that you use. If you use like soap that's already made for foam cannons, then it might be a little bit different story, but definitely goes on a lot better, and just makes the whole process a lot faster in general. So I'd definitely say it was worth the money. It's not super amount of pressure where it's going to, you know, blow your paint off. And it's not a slouch or anything. It definitely gets off the dirt, but I wanted it mainly just because, like I said, we got like a 3,000 PSI one, which would probably give me a lot better foam, but it's just a gas one. It just takes too much. I can just plug this one in and pretty much go. I don't have to worry about, you know, trying to get the gas started or drain the gas in it during the winter time or anything. All you gotta do is just make sure the water is drained out in the winter time, and then you can just keep it. This would also be good if you were like a mobile detailer, and you know, you went to people's houses, you can just carry this little bad boy with you. It's only, like I said, it's only like 16 pounds. You can just throw it in your truck or your car or whatever, and then take it to the job and use the foam cannon and get it all cleaned up. And you don't have to worry about having a gas one where you have to, you know, get gas all the time and have to worry about having a motor and then the motor goes bad or whatever. Another good reason to have one of these is if you're like in a apartment complex or whatever, and you don't want to, you know, have too much fucking noise and you're out there trying to wash your car, then that's another good thing that you can use it for if you have a condo or whatever, depending where you live. But definitely happy with it. I'm definitely going to use it to clean my daily and my my car always. I think $85 is definitely a good price for the time I save, and just, you know, workflow wise, instead of sitting out there for like an hour and a half or an hour doing everything, I can just do the whole car in pretty much like 30 minutes and be done with it. So if you guys liked the video, you guys give it a thumbs up. Like I said, if you guys, I'll just leave some links down below if you want to check it out online, buy it online. But like I said, I got it on Menards, so you might be able to get it like Lowe's, because I know they sell Craftsman stuff now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one.
X5 Beats.